Working on stained glass requires precision and the right heat. We've ranked the top 5 soldering irons for smooth seams and even flow, plus 2 affordable alternatives for hobbyists. Create flawless art every time.
Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. So, let's go for top 5.
Our number 1 pick is Yihua 9263 i60W Digital Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. If you're looking for a high-performance, feature-packed soldering station that's great for both beginners and experienced tinkerers, the Yihua 9263 i60W Digital Display Soldering Iron Station Kit hits the mark. With its robust functionality, helpful accessories, and digital precision, this kit is more than just a tool. It's a full-on workstation for electronic repair, DIY projects, and even light professional use. The 926 comes with a 60-watt high-power soldering iron that heats up rapidly thanks to the ceramic heating element. The digital temperature display is large and easy to read, allowing you to adjust temperatures from 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. Our second best soldering iron for stained glass is Lexivon Butane Soldering Iron Multipurpose Kit. If you're someone who works on electronics, automotive repairs, or even DIY crafts and needs a reliable, cordless, and portable soldering solution, the Lexivon Butane Soldering Iron Multipurpose Kit, LX770, is a top-tier option. Designed with professionals in mind, but accessible enough for hobbyists, this tool combines portability with serious power. The LX770 kit includes a wide variety of 7 interchangeable tips, covering everything from standard soldering and heat blowing to cutting and shrinking. Whether you're working on wires, circuit boards, heat shrink tubing, or even plastics, this kit has a solution for you. The quality of the tips feels solid, and swapping them is simple and quick. It also comes neatly packed in a durable carrying case, which keeps everything organized and makes it easy to store or travel with. What sets the LX770 apart right off the bat is its cordless, butane-powered operation. It means no dealing with wires or plugging into an outlet, making it ideal for fieldwork or hard-to-reach spots. Third in our list is Hakko Soldering Iron for Stained Glass. If you're serious about stained glass work and looking for a soldering iron that delivers consistent heat, ergonomic comfort, and professional-grade results, the Hakko FX 601 should be at the top of your list. Specifically designed for stained glass and heavy-duty soldering tasks, this tool stands out in both performance and usability. The iron is surprisingly lightweight, given its power, and it's equipped with a comfortable, heat-resistant rubber grip. The 10-foot cord is another bonus, giving you freedom to move around your workspace without being tethered close to a power outlet. Temperature adjustment is straightforward, using the clearly marked dial on the handle, and the built-in stand compatibility makes it easy to set the iron down between uses safely. Number 4 in our best soldering iron for stained glass list is WEP 927-4 Soldering Station Kit. Right out of the box, the 110-watt heating element makes a clear difference. It heats up incredibly fast, reaching working temperatures in under 10 seconds. Whether you're soldering circuit boards or tackling heavier gauge wires, this station delivers steady heat without fluctuation. I found the temperature control precise and responsive, and the included 3 preset channels are a real time saver when switching between different soldering tasks. The digital display is crisp and easy to read, showing exact temperature settings, which adds to the confidence when working on sensitive components. The sleep mode is one of my favorite features. If the iron is idle for a set period, it automatically cools down to prevent overheating or accidents, a big win for both safety and tip longevity. The unit also has a sturdy base, with a built-in iron holder that feels stable and secure. I also appreciate how compact and well-designed the station is. It doesn't take up too much space, but offers a wide array of tools right at your fingertips. The WEP 927-4 Soldering Station Kit is an incredibly well-thought-out package for anyone from a beginner to an advanced user. It combines power, precision, safety, and convenience in one robust station. Our fifth pick is Hako FX601-02 Adjustable Temperature Controlled Soldering Iron. What truly sets this soldering iron apart is its adjustable temperature dial and 67-watt high heat output. It heats up quickly and maintains its temperature consistently, even during extended use. This is especially critical for tasks like soldering copper foil in stained glass, where a lesser iron would struggle to keep up. I was able to work on large joints without any dip in performance or waiting for the tip to recover heat. The iron is rated for temperatures up to 540 degrees Celsius, which covers a wide range of demanding soldering tasks. Number 6. This video is Yihua 862BD plus SMDESD Safe 2 in 1 soldering iron. The standout feature of the 862BD Plus is its 2-in-1 design, combining a soldering station and hot air rework station in a single setup. The soldering iron heats up quickly and holds its temperature steadily, thanks to its intelligent temperature control. Whether you're tinning wires or working on delicate IC components, the iron provides smooth, consistent heat. On the rework side, the hot air gun is equally impressive. It offers adjustable airflow and temperature, which is crucial for safely desoldering or reflowing components without damaging them. The digital controls allow you to fine-tune settings based on your task, whether it's removing a chip or heat-shrinking tubing. Our 7th best soldering iron for stained glass is Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station. If you're building your bench or upgrading from a pen-style iron, this station is a smart investment that balances performance and price brilliantly. The Yihua 939D Plus stands out as a reliable, affordable, and feature-rich soldering station for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. Its high wattage output, smart safety features, and temperature precision make it perfect for a wide range of soldering tasks. One of the biggest highlights of the 939D Plus is its fast and consistent heat up. The digital temperature control lets you adjust the heat from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit